Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to disable Google Maps voice. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Go, Saved, Contribute, and Updates. On the top, there's a search bar and an audio button, then your user icon. Just tap on the user icon in the top right corner, then you're gonna find settings through various options. Go to settings. Under settings, you're gonna see options like navigation, Google Assistant, manage your preferences, manage your areas, dark mode, video settings, etc. etc. All you have to do is select the first option, that's navigation. Under navigation, the first option you see is sound and voice guidance audio. If you want to disable it, just mute it, and if you want to enable it, just tap on unmute. And guys, to disable it, just tap on mute. There you go back, and you can see the Google Maps voice will be disabled on your Google Maps app. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable Google Maps voice. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.